blow through there. That's what makes a bubble. Let her blow. Blow through it.
Oh, you like these? You want me to blow? Ready?
Ooh. Another one?
You get him?
What's in there? Woo! Still one in there? Ooh, they got me. Ooh, they got big one, got me. Whoa, got me. Oh, it's still there. Ooh. Woo, it's on my hand. So wait just a little bit. Like this. Woo!
What is she doing? She's just supposed to go in circles. Maybe the. Oh, careful, Aubrey. You're gonna fall down. Here, take a spill here in a second.
Aubrey.
Oh.
Hey.
You're gonna fall.
Whoa, big one.
I think that's enough.
Go see what Ray's doing, Aubrey. What's Ray doing? What's Ray doing?
You want this? You gonna try this?
She'll spill them all over, probably.
Well, I won't give her the bottle. Here.
Yeah, stay a little further away from there.
Blow. Yeah, no.
Blow again, blow again. Whoa, big one.
Are you blowing bubbles?
Oh, you got it. Hey, look here. Look here. Oh, you got
Hey,
some
if you're
bubble.
gonna run on the grass, so if you fall,
Hey,
it
look here,
won't
look here.
spin
There's
up
still a
your
bubble
knees.
there. Step on
Reagan.
that bubble. Step on it. Boo, you got it. How about that one? Oh, you got it.
You can get it. Ha ha. You can get it. Ha 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 ha.
That's because your sister does that. Isn't
Ha
it?
ha. Morgan.
Yeah, she does hot.
Okay, I'm gonna go help Mom inside.
Pop.
Whoa, Munchkin.